So I got an unexpected package yesterday. I opened it up and I got a package from the Laundress in New York City. And this is from Gwen Whiting, episode 188 of Inspired Money. She writes, "Now you can wash like a rock star too." So I don't think I'll ever be able to, okay, I know I will never be able to play guitar like John Mayer, but maybe I can at least wash my shirts. Equally, if not better. So let's just check this out. This is a big box. Paper. Get rid of that. Oh man, this is going to be quite the collection. Ooh, this is the John Mayer. Out West. Fabric Fresh. And I am going to be doing laundry for a while. Stain solution? I know I need that. John Mayer laundry detergent. And right on there it says, washing for a cause. You know, in this day and age of way too much email, if your inbox is like mine, my inbox is a disaster, getting real mail is awesome. Here's a aromatherapy. It is surface cleaner. Surface cleaner and dish soap. There's dish soap too. This is Christmas in April. Whoa, and look at this. Signature, I can't even speak. Signature detergent, the classic. And I think that is it. This is awesome. My kids know that I need a lot of detergent. And they do too. So thank you, Gwen Whiting, for being an awesome guest on the Inspired Money podcast. And thank you for keeping my laundry clean. I'm going to line these up on my desk. And I will definitely put these to good use, I promise. Thank you, Gwen. Thank you, the Laundress. Well, I hope you liked that. Unboxing videos are really fun. Want to know how I did the overhead camera? Check this out. iPhone. Thank you, Justin Bieber.